So the crackheads keep on busting into my propane. I did this just to secure, not to secure it, stop it from flapping. There's not even a lock on here. They beat the hell out of everything to steal. That's a replacement propane. But they're busting in. You don't have to bust in. All you got to do is open it. But they're stealing my propane tank. So that's the replacement for now. But look at that. And I got to replace, and you know, this is expensive to replace this stuff. It's a pain in the butt. Plus I'm losing propane tanks. So it's not so much when I'm camping, it's when I'm leaving this, whatever city I'm in, because you're not in the woods all the time. You park it, you go for a hike, and someone stole your propane tanks. So I'm going to make it as hard as possible for them to steal this stuff. So I'm going to put in a hockey puck lock and chain, and I'm going to lag bolt it in some. You stay tuned, we'll show you what we're going to do. My camper, for a couple big trips we did, we're going to do a few big trips in the next couple of years. I've got some big trips planned. So here, they keep on just, you know, there's nothing here. Like one key fits like almost every one of them. So I'm going to put a hasp and padlock on here, hockey puck lock, just to secure it. And I've got it so the hockey puck lock is secure to the hasp. So I don't have to worry about dropping it. I'm going to upgrade my compartments. I got some jerry cans being installed here, my recovery boards. We have a roof rack coming in, and I have to secure what's up there. So I'm just going to make this more heavy duty, make it harder to steal my stuff. It's a pain in the butt. You're out in the middle of nowhere and your propane tanks are gone. Or it's sitting as I'm shopping, doing the touristy things, and you come back and somebody's broken into here. I'm not going to stop them from breaking in 100%. I'm just going to make it not super easy. So I'm just going to secure everything. Stay tuned. There's going to be lots of new videos. This thing is getting geared up for a couple of really big trips, and I want everything secure, and I'm adding more toys, and I'm fed up of having my extra gas inside, my recovery traction boards inside. I want to put them out here, and I'm not happy with a lot of the stuff I've seen out there. And also, I see break-ins all the time on people's overland vehicles, on their recreational vehicles. So what better than take my own camper and a friend's trailer, and we're going to fix them all up so you can't steal this. Make it more difficult to steal. We're going to add some bars on the inside. I don't want to make it look like a prison, but I'm just going to make it that little bit harder to break into here. The camper is alarmed. The truck is alarmed. I'm going to add some lights, cameras. This is my baby. This is my toy. I want to have it ready whenever I want to go in it. I don't want to be replacing crap. So stay tuned. It's going to be good. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll have lots of fun here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.